Hot Wheels tracks, woo! Some of us I notice are having trouble deciding which side is up. And so here's a way to check. If the car fits on the track, then you are right side up. But if the car just doesn't fit in the middle here, then it's upside down. Easy fix. We just turn it back over and there you go. When you put the tracks together, we have our little connector here. Make sure the 3 buttons are on top. Okay, this is not gonna work, so make sure, there we go. And then when you slide them together, you wanna push down on both of them so they're both completely flat on the table, and then slide together and it locks together like that. And you'll see on here, it's locked inside there in the bottom. And do we yank it apart? No, it's like a seat belt. You gotta push the buckle here and it comes undone. Now I'm ready for another track. I could try and do it this way, but it's a lot easier if I put it down flat. And how do I know which side is up? Does the car fit? No. Okay, turn it over. Ah, there we go, that's the right way. Push down and down, so they're both down flat on the table, and then push them together, and they start to join each other, and you'll see it goes like that. And there you go. When it's time to take these apart, do we yank them apart? No, we want to unbuckle. So push that blue button and push that blue button. There we go. Now, if you want to attach the track to the table, we have, it's called a clamp. Clamp is C for clamp. And you'll see that when you go righty-tighty, it tightens, and lefty-loosey, it lowers. So I'm gonna take the clamp and I'm gonna open it up, lefty-loosey enough so it slides over the edge of the table like that. And then underneath, I'm going to righty-tighty until it is nice and snug on there. Not too tight because I don't want to get stuck, but just enough. And then with my track, I can slide the track here, or I can attach it diagonally, or I can attach it straight up and down. And there's little arms down there. It looks like they're gonna grab, and you want to slide those over the red square here. So there's one. You see it stands up by itself. And I can keep going with this. I have to make sure that it goes a little bit past the end here, but I can take this track and I can connect it. So now it's across the table, but it's also still connected here. And then when we're done, I'm gonna push the buckle there, unbuckle it. And then for this one, you just have to slide it off. And then if I wanna do a diagonal one, this one, I'm gonna, again, use that little arms there. I'm gonna slide it through. And I could leave it like this if I want, or I could keep sliding it up a little higher, and then I can attach this track. Get that, unbuckle. And then if I wanna go really fast, straight up and down, I'm gonna use that third square there. I'm just gonna line it up. And that one's good. And if I want, I can keep going a little bit past it, so now I can fit that blue connector. All right. Now when we're done with the clamp, we're just gonna slide that off. And then lefty-loosey, just enough, there you go.